Did you know that we have gift cards that make excellent gifts? I know that people love sharing bread, and you can absolutely come into our bakeries anytime, 7 days a week, and pick up any number of items, bring them to somebody. I love when that happens because you're sharing your love of our sourdough with somebody else and introducing them to our brand. It's something that we have happen a lot to us, and I love the receiving end of that, where that new person comes in having received a loaf of bread and then strikes up a conversation with us about how they were introduced, and we get an opportunity to form a new relationship with another member of our community. However, gifting bread is not always practical. For instance, let's say around Christmas time, we want to sort of get gifts now and not worry about them in the last minute. Also, maybe we are with our family during Christmas itself and we won't see our friends for a few more days. Well, consider helping us as a local small business and giving your friend something that you love, that is beautiful, authentic, intentionally made sourdough breads and pastries, in the form of a gift card. We have locations around the valley, one all the way in Litchfield Park on the west side, one in downtown Mesa, one in north central Phoenix right off the 51 in Shea. And so almost anybody in Phoenix Metro has access to a Proof Bread location within just a few minutes of where they are. And so consider buying a gift card for these holidays for your friends or family members that you'd love to introduce to our brand. For us, it's a huge benefit that helps us out after all the dust settles from the holidays as well. If you can imagine, we're ramping up, we're making more and more products going into the holidays, and oftentimes there's kind of a bit of a hangover effect. Everybody's eaten a lot of bread, and everybody needs a little bit of a break, and so then we still have this huge staff that we were just ramping up with, but we might have some challenges when the season lulls, whether it be always in the summertime or right after any holidays. So when you give a gift card to a family member or a friend around the holidays, you're encouraging a visit to our bakery, and you're giving us the opportunity to delight this person who may return on the regular to our bakeries thereafter. So thank you for helping us in this way. Consider stopping in and purchasing a gift card. You can also go on our website and purchase one right from there as well. It can be sent to your email right away, and you can give that as a gift to anybody that you'd like. Thanks for considering this, and happy holidays.